Lantern making with Carlos Marco Mendoza and family. Materials are, this one is the recycled yantok wrapped with garland, ribbon, glittered flowers, metal foil tassel, and a star.
Sounds like Christmas.
And also, this twist tie.
Is that
Okay.
in the adult?
First, Daddy and Coco assemble the parol in the middle.
Well, how much?
You, assemble first.
Video? It can be longer than 60 seconds.
Go. Put the Yan. No, yan. Assemble ni Daddy. Look at Daddy.
I'm the comfort guy.
Yeah.
Any rainy days, I'll tell him to stop.
Boss, mami.
Bakit?
So funny. The weed that I wonder if my friends are doing this at home.
Yes, they are, anak.
And we have to do this slow way to
Yan. Put it in the middle, Daddy. Yan. I see. Wow, like that.
Inverted.
inverted.
Apo, inverted
Where does
siya.
the ribbon go?
Ganyan.
Here. I don't know.
This time mo na lang.
Here. Wait.
Hold the parol, anak.
Is it poisonous?
No?
The spike.
Mm.
Get in the eye.
Tatay ni Daddy sa middle.
What was that wire thing?
Coco.
Ulit, sa ituan ko.
Let me see. Wow.
First half of the heart.
Yes. Now, put the ribbon in the center. Sa upper, anak. Upper. Yan. Yes, dyan.
Now,
Yan, at the center.
I'm gonna get the glue in my bag.
No, just use the twist tie.
Oh,
Apo.
I never think of that.
Daddy is, putting twist tie sa ribbon. The lantern. Hold the lantern.
Daddy would be like the pan. With the white and more.
Para maikabit ni Daddy yung ribbon.
I didn't know he was what
Yes.
Daddy would be. And Jesus, I got out.
Show it nga, Dad. Wow, it's nice.
I think I'm
Next, putting the foil tassel below the lantern. Yan. Hold the other one, anak. Yan. Wait for your turn na naikabit yan.
My turn to use that?
Yes.
But I don't even know how.
Oh, look at Daddy. Ah.
Ayan, baby.
Firebender.
Time putting the tassel na. Ah.
Firebender. I am Coco, the last firebender.
Firebender ka. Coco, careful. Baka maano.
Red. So that means I'm a firebender. A firebender. Alright. Does my eye work?
See? Let me see. Wow, like that.
Fire black.
Oh, Coco, your other tassel na.
Is it my turn?
Yes po.
Do I have to use it?
Wait mo si Dad.
I am now the greatest firebender.
Yan, wow.
And how about you?
Later, anak, after the tassel.
I am now the
Coco, don't put that in your shirt. It's glittery.
I forgot my nose.
Oh, don't put in your...
I just put a shiny booger.
Wow, yan.
Where is
Let me see that. Front view. Yan. Now, time for the glittery flowers to put in. It's the... Okay, time to assemble time na.
Assemble!
Kakabit mo na. Ayan, sige. Coco, look at Daddy's, Daddy's work, oh. Coco, do you like your lantern? What's the name of your lantern?
The Black Tigers.
Black Tigers. Floral.
All the flowers becoming a party.
Hold the parol. This is now our
Our
lantern.
lantern.
Yay!